using too much of AI also makes your brain go rusty.
You feel like मैं चाय पीऊँ कि coffee पीऊँ, and you feel like going and asking चाय कि coffee. Sir, is AI genuinely the reasons for the job losses?
ChatGPT come, let's have a chat.
Conversation.
Please motivate me. I'm not joking, right? Please motivate me. And then ChatGPT will tell, okay, what do you want me to do? Okay, and then you'll start talking like as if you're talking to your friend. But somewhere we have lost that human connection.
तो क्या करें सर? पर आप जैसे लोग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी जैसे ऑफिस में बैठ के are promoting work from home. Even company like TCS, Wipro is saying come Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday.
And going forward, I'll tell you what's going to happen. See, in this AI era, who will be a successful manager?
Alright, hi everyone, welcome on board. The latest news these days is that AI is taking over and all your jobs are going. This guy did his PhD in e-tailing practices and he's also taking, he's the program chair, so can I say program chair of e-business?
Program caretaker. Okay.
Caretaker of e-business. This program, e-business, was launched way back in 2008-2007 and I still remember seeing that newspaper ad where Welingkar launched this program. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही थी कि ये तो ahead of the game है. Sir did PhD in the e-business or e-tailing business way back in 2000?
I finished in 2009.
Lovely. And sir, you're from IIM Calcutta.
IIM Calcutta.
Which year was that?
2000.
2000 year, a graduate of IIM Calcutta, now a professor.
Millennial batch.
Millennial batch, lovely. And nearly 25 plus of years of industry, 8 years of industry experience and 25 plus years of teaching. Today I'm going to ask him some tough questions. Sir तो अपने notes बना के लेके आए. मैंने बोला sir, I'm going to ask you.
Cheat sheets.
Cheat sheets. Great sir. Sir, let's begin. Sir, is AI genuinely the reasons for the job losses? Because there are new terms coming up. We'll speak about that. But what's your take on that?
See, I'll tell you my take on this. See, whenever there has been a new innovation, right, a new kind of technology that has come into the market, this fear has been there. It is not something new. It all goes back to 1946 when the first computers were launched. So every time you've seen a paradigm shift. You know, for example, ERP was a paradigm shift. Internet was a paradigm shift, right? Social media was a paradigm shift. So whenever there's a paradigm shift, there is a fear, job losses will happen. But what history has taught us is that definitely, as jobs have changed, I won't say that jobs have disappeared. So new jobs have come up, okay? So old ones have gone off, and new ones have cropped in, right? So I don't agree to the fact that, that AI is going to take away all the jobs and all.
I'm feeling a little bit more dumber day by day.
Okay, that is something, yeah, I agree with you.
Because of the time I used to spend, I use these yellow sheets if you've seen on my YouTube channel. I write, etc.
Yeah.
I go to the website, find them data, find the nuances, right? But at the same time, when I do the sheet compare between IIM ABC or new IIM versus Welingkar, etc. When I'm doing this, they'll give me some random somebody else, and people are fooling the with GEO. Earlier SEO पे करते थे, अभी GEO पे लोग कर रहे हैं. So I personally still am old school when it comes to that, but I think that will also change.
Yeah, see, still I think it's in a very early stage right now. But you're right when you say that using too much of AI also makes your brain go rusty.
You feel like मैं चाय पीऊँ कि coffee पीऊँ, and you feel like going and asking चाय कि coffee.
See, you said you're from old school, right? So I'm from an older school, right? I still remember, when I was in class 12, right? Science, chemistry, the kind of questions, 0.23 gram, 0.2346 grams of this is mixed with 0.1894 something of this. Tell us what is the molarity of the solution.
Yeah.
And where was calculator? Not allowed. Max we would get log tables, right? So we were very sharp in our calculations, right? Like mentally we could calculate. But today, I've also come to a stage when you ask me, okay, 2,000 rupees we spend, 4 of us, immediately I'll go and open the calculator. Because mentally I cannot calculate that, it will come to 500 per head, okay? But still in my generation, I still feel we were a lot sharper. But overuse of these things, have made the brains rusty. So I'll tell you what I do now. I make it a point every day. I play Sudoku from the Times of India. I do that religiously. I do it
with the pen and paper.
With pen and paper. I don't use that tools and all. And I also do that. Those word. You'll get that anagram, right?
Yeah.
Jumble up, and then it'll tell you, right? So from this, from 7 alphabets, create 20 words, whatever. So I enjoy doing it because that's what my mind.
So कहीं पे अगर दिमाग कम लग रहा है तो कहीं दूसरी जगह पे दिमाग तुम्हें
करना चाहिए. One should do it. It's important.
That's good. All 21, 22-year-old, because somehow they are afraid the campus placements in IITs, NITs are going down the drain. The same people.
See, it's a changeover phase, okay. So see, youngsters, what advice can I give you? Because I'm not a youngster myself now, right? Because that generation is very different.
You have been teaching past 25 years.
That I've done, but I'm seeing a great change, like in the batch to batch, there is a lot of change. So earlier, we would say one generation was a decade. Then it came down to 5 years. Now, between years is one generation now.
True.
That's how things are working now, right? So, first of all, I think, get the human connect. Because what I'm sensing now is people don't have any human connect now.
ये समझ नहीं आया sir. Human connect is talk to people.
Yeah, be with people. I mean, be with real people. And I know examples where people are so lonely, they write to ChatGPT, come, let's have a chat. Please motivate me. I'm not joking, right? Please motivate me. And then ChatGPT will tell, okay, what do you want me to do? Okay, and then you will start talking like as if you're talking to your friend. But somewhere we have lost that human connect.
I do it with Alexa.
Okay. So somewhere that human connect is very important.
तो क्या करें सर? पर आप जैसे लोग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी जैसे ऑफिस में बैठ के are promoting work from home. Even company like TCS, Wipro is saying come Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, and वो COVID से आदत
No, work from home. I'm not talking from the work angle, right? The personal level also I'm telling you. The social connect is not there anymore. So in a house, if there are 4 people, 4 bedrooms, they'll only connect through message. Okay, they'll not even get to see. See, in the long run, that is not going to help. Okay, because we need the human connect, right? Like suppose something happens to someone, right? You'll die alone in your room. Nobody will even know that something is wrong with you.
That's true.
That is something which we are all facing. Then, see, you guys need to be. They won't like me saying all this because I also have a teenage son who belongs to Gen Z. So I have my own set of issues with it. Like he says, I cannot understand your logic. If my train or my flight is at 12, why? Okay, forget a train. If my train is at 12 o'clock, why I should go there at 11 o'clock? That is his logic. Why I should go at 11? I should be there at only 11:59. Now that is the logic. Okay. Now that is one logic. We don't agree on that. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have agreed to disagree.
Nevertheless, sir, the AI advice to them. Abhi sir, adapt to करेंगे ये लोग.
Okay.
What kind of jobs do you think are going to be secure? And when they're in the learning phase of life, कि यार ये सब चीजें ना human connect कर लो और इस जब क्लास में सब चीजें चल रही ध्यान रखना, so that you're prepared for the next 4-5 years.
See, again, a human connect was something on a different angle. It has nothing to do with AI. But if you want to really ask me, I still feel it is early days. It's a bit difficult to really predict what's going to happen going down the line, maybe 2-3 years ahead. But what the precautionary measures they can take is, first of all, don't misuse AI. Okay. Because if you find in many application forms for MBA, people write, okay, the one question, why do you want to do MBA? Then you'll find it is full written by ChatGPT. See, don't get into the habit of jumping into AI, right? See, you should also, I always say, use AI to refine what you thought, okay? But the initial thought should come from you because you don't let your brain fritter away, okay? The brain is very valuable, right? Your thought process, your intelligence should never go off, right? AI is only a supporting tool. And going forward, I'll tell you what's going to happen. See, in this AI era, who will be a successful manager? Will be somebody who will be able to not compete with technology, right? But who will be able to help technology to lead the way. Okay, like a best friend, be with the manager, and then together they can go and conquer. Okay, so today's managers would be the good ones who can use AI to ask the right questions. They need not do the analysis because that and all AI can take care, right? But the decision making still has to come from the managerial side, right? So that way, I think managerial jobs are a lot more secure than if you look at the entry level coding and all that. From the way things are going, okay.
So general management, maybe when they're sitting in operations class, they should understand the basic terms.
See, that is an absolute must.
Given, foundation.
Domain knowledge, If you claim I am from marketing and you don't know what is brand management, right? Or you don't understand the basic concepts of consumer behavior, it's not going to work out, right?
That's good. That's good.
Because it's all a passing phase, okay.
Yeah.
I've seen it happening many times. We've seen, that whole idea of e-commerce in 2000, the way it crashed. Yeah. It just went down the drain, and then by 2003 it again picked up. And how it picked up, Today, I mean, can we imagine a life without e-commerce, quick commerce, m-commerce? Are all offshoots of e-commerce, right? I mean, can we imagine a life without a Zomato or a Swiggy or a Blinkit? We cannot imagine, right?
True.
So, see, people are very smart, okay. If something goes off, something else will come and replace it.
That's
and the cycle will keep on turning. I won't be too worried about this.
So you're a part of the cycle, boys and girls. Don't worry about it and keep going and keep learning the foundation. As sir said, sir is also, I'll not say struggling, but loving his 17-year-old kid. But I think way to go forward.
No, he's 18. Sorry, he's 18. He'll kill me if he hears this.
Boys and girls, do it to the like button. What are your thoughts about AI? What do you guys think? क्या होने वाला है भाई AI के ऊपर? And drop in the comments and let's discuss it. And also, your feedback is really
I just one more point I wanted to add here, which we were discussing in the beginning. And you should also see nowadays a good manager will be one who can interact with people and who can also interact with intelligent systems. Okay. See, earlier systems are not intelligent, right? They were dumb. Like you ask a question, it will just give you this is what it is. But going beyond, that is an intelligent system. So you should train yourself for that.
Usage of tech is also very important. Right? Tech तो बन जाएगा, उसको use करना.
Analytical mindset is important. A flair for technology, understanding new emerging technology as they emerge, how they can be applied in different walks of life, different fields of business. So all these things are important. Awesome. So what I suggest is, instead of spending a lot of time on Insta and all that, should do it. Why not? I mean, it's important. But I think you should devote a little bit of time for your own self-growth. You should invest in yourself also.
That's lovely. Thank you so much. I'm really humbled to have you on board.
Thank you so much.
Such a great personality. He's been on my channel past about 3+ years. If you're coming to Welingkar, Bangalore, you're going to be learning from the man himself. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you.
Do the like button, boys and girls, and I'll see you in the comment section.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.